This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Darcy Guthline. Open house Saturday 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Ranch-style home, located in the heart of Great Bridge. All-brick custom-built home with 6 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. Semi-open floor plan with teak hardwood floors throughout. Large eat-in kitchen, stainless appliances, double ovens and separate cooktop. Family room with wood-burning fireplace. Enclosed back porch overlooks a private backyard with pond, fish, flower beds, raised garden beds and woods. 4 first-floor bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Second level offers 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. ROG and Huge Second level attic allow for plenty of storage, but would be great for additional living space. Architectural shingles, oversized driveway and an encapsulated crawl. For more information, review the details below.